Okay, so welcome everyone. Good evening and welcome to the Gen AI Bootcamp. It is a 5-day workshop on generative AI. It's an absolute pleasure to see such an enthusiastic group of nearly 600 participants in this event, ready to explore and shape the future of technology. My name is Izwan, and I'm a proud part of the Core Social community. We are a vibrant community of professionals, students, where we try to collaborate with industry leaders and bring you the best of boot camps and events. At Core Social, we believe in empowering individuals with knowledge, connecting tech enthusiasts with incredible opportunities, and we basically create a space where you can flourish. Over the next 5 days, we will embark on an exciting journey into the world of Gen AI, LLMs, and retrieval augmented generation or RAGs. Whether you are here as a tech enthusiast or a student developer eager to build AI solutions, or a professional looking for a career change or to tackle real world challenges, this workshop is designed for you. We are thrilled to have none other than Mr. Deepak Chawla leading this workshop. Mr. Deepak Chawla is an inspiring leader and innovator in the field of AI. He is the co founder of HiDevs, having previously been associated with companies like Coffee Beans and AI Planet. He was also the youngest jury member at Smart India Hackathon 2024. Under his guidance, you will dive into building LLM powered AI systems with HuggingFace, mastering RAG techniques, tackling advanced concepts like multi query, optimization, cost reduction, and cloud deployment, and of course, working on hands on projects and participating in live Q&A sessions. Every day, we will be sharing a form in the you will get the link of the form in between the meeting. We will not be saying when at the like when we will be sharing the form, because that will be the attendance form that you have to fill within the first 5 to 10 minutes, and after that the form will stop taking answers, and based on that form we will be distributing your certificates. So you have to basically attend all the meetings and see when the form is released, fill the form within the 5 to 10 minutes that will be given in the allotted time, and you will get your certificates. So now let's roll up our sleeves and deep dive into the cutting edge world of Gen AI, and let's make these 5 days count together. So once again, welcome to the Gen AI Bootcamp, and let's get started. Thank you.
Hello everyone, audible to everyone. You can reply or react on a chat if it's audible. Yes, that's great. Please press one if Deepak is. That's good. Thanks. Yeah, that's great. So, how are you doing all? Okay, that's all going good. Okay, so let's start. So I will give the like brief introduction here, a little more, so that all of you guys able to know about me much better. So basically, I have the decade of the experience in generative AI, building AI products, models. Okay, like different kinds of the product that I have been built, no code, low code platform, text to SQL, chatbot, and lot of things. And currently, I left my job in August 2024, and currently we are building world largest generative AI workforce where we are upskilling the students, engineers, professional tech leaders in the direction of the generative AI, and we are giving that particular direction and personalized roadmap and the learning and progressive learning that we are giving. So yeah, that's what that we are doing in our company. So let's share my screen. Let me know once it's visible. Yeah, so hope it's visible to everyone. Screen is visible to everyone. Yes, that's great. Is visible? Because someone is saying it's not visible. Yeah. Okay. So it's visible now. So as you can see on the screen, our mission is very simple, that we are going to build a skilled workforce through upskilling and reskilling and enable the individual to secure the good job, advance their career, and ongoing support. Our vision to individual to thrive into the world of the generative AI or AI. And our objective by 2030, that we are going to build the community of the 10 million plus Gen AI developer. How and what we are offer. So we are offering personalized upskilling, tailored learning, AI powered tool is there, learning opportunities are there, and we have done AI powered e-learning platform that are revolutionary the education and workforce readiness. Okay, and this is few companies to whom we have been partnered. As you can see on the screen, Google, Meta, Gemini. We have the Google Cloud credits. We have been partnered with the LangChain, Llama Index, Gradio. Okay, and this is a few milestone that we have currently. So we are the startup program of the Google, where with the help of that we will able to like run our own models into the Google Cloud with the $25,000. We have the good engagement of YouTube. We have the good members on Discord and all these things. So this is little bit about me again. So you already know. So this is my co-founder Himanshu Somani. He's an ex Googler, Tata, ex IM Ahmedabad. So he has a again like 5 years experience in Google and is working with me, who is handling the finance and legal, and as we are in the media as well. And this is a few uh, like images that I'm sharing with you, that how we are just not just putting ourselves limited to the India. No, we are just exploring the different countries and pushing the boundaries of the generative AI in the different countries. So I had glad a chance to meet with the Langchain founder, Lama Index founder. So there are a lot of things that we have been done. So this is all about our company, and this is a few webinar and seminar that I took uh, India as well as the USA. So we have been done the hackathons as well, and also giving the good. This is a few people who have been got the good jobs with the help of the HiDevs. So this is the few things, and yeah. So one thing that I want to highlight here, that if you are the part of the this whole workshop, so in that workshop we are going to learn prompt engineering, we are going to learn RAG, AI agents, how the LLM models are working, all these things. So there are a lot of things that we are going to do, and apart from that we are going to do a proper project. That project will help you to explore yourself in the world of the generative AI. Okay, now if I talk about the certificate, so I will talk one more thing here, that uh, you have to take a whole 5 days class, and after completing that, we are offering you one more uh, good thing. Let me share that as well. So this is our platform where you have to go, and you can just take your interview, and on the basis of your interview you can unlock your different levels. Personalized levels are there, and it's currently free of cost. So once you will able to do this one, then we will able to give you the certificate with the personalized roadmap. And also we are offering one more thing, that you will get a chance to talk to me 1 to 1 30 minutes again. That will be the free of cost. So everything that we are giving you, so you can go. The only things that we are asking from our side, that you have to regularly attend the all classes, one thing. Second, complete the project. Third, you have to complete the interview. That's it, nothing else. And we will give you the certificate, we will give you the personalized roadmap, we will give you the chance to talk to me or Himanshu, so you can just discuss whatever the problem that you are facing in your life. So we are here to help you and upskill you in the direction of the generative AI, so you will able to get a good job. Hope everyone is on the same page. So let's move to the learning. Let's start. Let me share the different image tab. Okay, so mhm. So yeah, so let's start with here. Let me open this. Yeah, yeah. So let's start with the how the things has been done in the from the past. Okay, see. So if you will see, 90, from the 1950 we have the data. Okay, but machine learning not invented at that time. At that time only the rule based learning was there. You have to work on the rules, you have to work on the data, and you have to find out what are the rules that you can be integrate. Okay, as the data will grow you have to increase your rules. Okay, and particular time of period your rules will break out and user will ask something else and you will not able to done your work over there. So what will happen after just facing this particular problem? What the people has been done, they has been done machine learning. Okay, they have been invented machine learning. So machine learning is, you can say, coming from the statistics probability, where linear regression, logistic regression. Okay, so they are the mathematical formulas, nothing else. They are the only mathematical formulas are there. So on the basis of that what they are doing, they are giving the proper training, they are giving the proper learning. What kind of learning? I will going to the straightforward, where I will tell you how easily that you can relate what's the training that people has been given in the machine learning. You have the questions. When you are in the exam, what you are doing, you have the whole chapter. Okay, you will read it, that whole chapter. After that, at the back you have the questions and then you will write the answers. Okay, then you will check that answers with the actual answers, and then you will see how well that you have been performed. So on the basis of that, the marks and the percentage has been declared. The same way the machine learning works. So machine learning have label data. Label data means that have the questions, they have the answers, and they will learn. Okay, this is a few questions and the each questions have the this answer. On the basis of that they will learn the way the human learn in the school, in the colleges. Okay, the same way the machine learn. And after that what will happen, we have to go to the exam. Okay, once we will go to the exam, then what will happen, the one of the greatest thing that we can see. One second, let me zoom in. Zoom is not possible. Wait, I think that's good. Yeah, okay, that's great. Okay, so what will happen, you have to learn everything in your office, sorry, in your home. And after that where you have to go, you have to go to the, where you have to go to the exam hall and do your test over there. The same thing happening in the machine learning. We will give the questions and after that we will give the answers, and we will give that particular set. This is question, this is answer, and machine learn. Then we will give some questions and ask them give the answer of that questions, and we already have the answer of that particular question, and we will checking and matching how well the answer has been written by the machine. The same way our professors or teachers were doing in the colleges and the schools. Then we will get the marks. Okay, out of 100 how many marks that you have been got in your exam. The same way that we will give the accuracy. Out of 100 questions you have been done 70, so you have the 70% marks or the 70% accuracy. So this is an invention that has been done into 1980. After that what will happen, data increases. As the data increases the problem has been started. Okay, because the variant category was there, and due to that what will happen, the only one thing happen, which is machine learning not able to give the good accuracy that has been reached, or the threshold means the particular 70 or 75, not more than that they will able to achieve. So in that category, what's happened, researchers has been come and say we need something else. So in that one, what happened again, the one thing, neural network. So neural network is based on the humans neurals. Okay, so how neurals of the human being has been developed, created, how it's work, all these things, the same mimic of the human neurals. So that has been converted into the coding. Okay, and then we'll start working on that, and that's change a lot of things. As you can see, machine learning comes into the 1980, neural network come into the 1990 to the 2000, and it's in the market till 2017. So neural network gives the very good accuracy, going to be different variety, image, text, a lot of things has been there. Okay, so now if we will see what is the transformer. So if we talk about the transformer, so this is a model that has been uh, this is a model and research paper that has been came by the Google team. And what the Google team is doing, Google team is doing, saying that you have to focus on the particular area when you are developing everything, then you have to focus a particular area, which is we known as a attention all you need. The most of the things has been changed after attention all you need. Transformer again based on the neural network. So this is the way the things has been going forward, and we start seeing the pre-trained models. Okay, 2018 to GPT, bird, transformers. Okay, so the lot of models are there. So now whenever we are training any model with the large amount of data for the longer time, okay, with the billions of the parameter. So parameter here means that uh, the particular node is available in the your transformer architecture, that's known as the parameter. Okay, so currently as we are seeing GPT-1, 2, 3, okay, GPT 3.5, turbo 4, O1 series, O series, GPT-5. So they all are the sorry, they all are the models based on the transformer. And the chat gpt is the application that has been built on the particular model, and that model that we can choose on the particular chat history, or the particular chat that we can either GPT-4, GPT-O. So this is how that the things has been worked. So let's go back to here. So in the early days, as I told, okay, I will zoom in so that will be better. So rise of the statistics learning, power of the machine learning. Okay, NLP was there to have to understand the proper text and all these things. Now the rise of the pre-trained model. I told you there are a lot of the pre-trained models. So pre-trained model is a kind of the, as you can relate with the library. Everyone know about the pandas. Okay, so what will happen in that case? Pandas will be the library where the most of the functions has been written. You have to just call that function and you can easily do your work, do your job, whatever your requirement. Okay, this is how that is work. But what will happen in the case of the pre-train, again the same thing. The whole model has been trained on the particular data, general data, either text, images, video, audio, and then you can go and ask whatever the question that you have. And what again, one more thing that you can do with the pre-train, already lot of things has been trained on for that particular model. You have to give your few data, okay, like GBs of the data, and give the few learning. Okay, and with the with the help of that, what will happen, your model will be the ready. So this is a power of the pre-train. So same way, this is a kind of the library that the pandas and sklearn was there, okay, is there. The same way the pre-trained model is there. Now foundation model. So foundation model are the AI models trained on the vast amount of unlabeled data, is the backbone of the generative AI. I'm repeating again. Pre-trained model is known as the foundation models. So foundation model trained on the unlabeled data. I'm repeating, unlabeled. That means we don't have the answer. We don't have the particular structure. We have unstructured data. So in that scenario, what's happening? We have to build a self-supervised learning concept. With the help of that, we will able to give the unlabeled data, and with the help of the self supervised learning, we are converting the unlabeled data to the labeled data. Then we are just training our model. So this is how the things working over there. And the foundation of generative AI is, and backbone of the generative AI is the foundation model or pre-trained model, that you can think of it or relate of it. Okay, now there are the only like two types of the foundations model. So LLM, large language model. When we are talking about LLM, large language model, so this is for the natural language processing. If you are talking about the diffusion model, that means you are working for the computer vision applications, audio, video, images. So whenever someone will ask you, this is an interview question as well, whenever someone will ask you what is the LLM, what is the use of the LLM, so LLM model totally work for the NLP based application or text based application. When we talk about the computer vision, that means we have to go with the diffusion models. Got it? Now we will go with the few characteristics. Yeah, let's do with the, they are the only one single way is available, only one single way is available. Okay, what is that particular thing? Which is, you can use only prompt engineering, you can use only prompt engineering to access any LLM model, any diffusion model. Okay, nothing more than that, the way that you can access. If you will say I will create the application on or for that, so okay, that's, you can do it. Okay, that's not a big issue. But without prompt you cannot do anything. So that's why everyone is saying prompt is a new programming language. Why? Currently we are talking, we are learning, we are on the live, but LLM application is in the ideal stage. You cannot be access LLM model without giving the prompt. If you will train your own model, then you will fine tune it, whatever you want to do it, you can do it. But without prompt you cannot able to use the power of the LLM model. The same thing that we saw in the Aladdin like movie or whatever the web series that you can consider. The genie will come out only when we will use the that particular mug where we have to rub it, and then the genie will come out. Until unless we cannot make the use of it. So that's the same way. Okay, so LLM models, whatever the applications are available, you cannot be used until unless you don't have the proper understanding of the prompt engineering. So you have to learn the prompt engineering, which is again that we are going to be explore. So if you'll see this particular image, so we have the data, text, images, speech, and structure. There are a lot of different kind of data that we have been put. And after that we build the foundation model, which have the capability to do the question answering, sentiment analysis, information extraction, image captioning, object recognition. There are a lot of things that you can do, because this is a generalization. Okay, this is generalized model that has been we using currently as a chat gpt. Okay, if you want to build your own, so you have to specific, you have to give the your specific data. Now if you want to be use pre-train, or if you want to see the sorry, if you want to see the characteristics of foundation model, as we know, pre-trained data. Okay, pre-trained models, generalization, adaptable through the prompt. Okay, large, very large. Okay, and self-supervised. So this is all that we already discussed, so it is given here. So what are different foundations model? We already saw that as well. Foundation model for natural language processing, or the text as we can consider say. Large language model, foundation model for computer vision, diffusion model we known as. Okay, so this is how that. Now, if we see this one, so this is a timeline, 2019, what model has been come out in the market. Okay, and then 2020, 21, 22, 23. So this is, yeah, image is till 23 only, 24, yeah, GPT-4. Okay, so this is how the whole ecosystem of the tech world is working in the direction of the LLM model. They all are want to do something in the direction of that, so they will able to get a good exposure and able to crack the industry and take a advantage of the generative AI. So that's what that we are doing as well. Now there are two types of the LLM models are available in the market. The first one is the open source. So when you talk about the open source, so that means you have the a model which is available openly in the market. You can download it, you can use it for your own, you can put it on your own server locally, your company server, wherever it is not be bounded over the pricing, over the privacy, security, data, nothing. The 100% control with for you. Now the one of the toughest part that most of the people are asking from me to me, that how we can able to access it. There's a like Meta is released the Llama, okay, so how we will able to explore. Mistral has been released in the market. That's the open source LLM models name that I am taking. Okay, how we can able to access. So I will give you the that glance as well. Then we have the closed source. What is closed source? So chat GPT, where we don't know what's happening inside. We are just going through on their application and working on that application, and we are just getting the answer. If we want to use that particular model into our application or our product, our service, then we have to call their API, but we don't know what's happening in that particular case. Okay, that's totally black box. They are the benefits that we you don't have to be take care about the you don't have to be take care about the what's happening inside the application. You can able to access it whenever you want. Okay, so that is the benefits of the LLM model. Now yeah, sorry, actually Wi-Fi has been caused some issue. So yeah, let me share my screen one more time. Yeah, okay. So AWS Bedrock is there. With the help of that, we will able to use the all foundations model and all these things. So that is very useful. Okay. So this is one. Okay. You can use like GCP console. Okay. Now I will show you one thing that we are using in our company itself, which is Grok. Okay. Let me open that. So Grok is the fast AI inference, or the inference means response that we can say is available in the world. Okay, fastest AI response in the world, as you can use directly. Okay, so see, as you can see here, Grok and others are there. So Fireworks is there, Together.ai is there. You can go and directly use it for developers with the free. Okay, how you can use it? Just click on Dev Console. So this is the Dev Console. You can come here. There are a lot of the LLM models are available. As you can see, Mistral, OpenAI also have the few open source model. Meta is leading in the open source world currently. Google also have the model, but only one LLM model. Then Meta again, there are a lot of model. You can choose any model that you want to be. So hello, see, who are you? See, who developed? As you can see how fast they are. You can see the speed is insane. See, uh, write me a Python Flask API code for CUD operations. Sorry, operations with MVC pattern and REST API format with SMD response. Now I will show you the speed. See, this is a speed. This is literally is now if I will go with the JSON mode, okay, I will ask it again. Yeah. Oh, must be contain JSON in the some form. Okay. Give me in JSON format. Oh, some error. Okay, that's their platform error. We don't have to worry about it. But yeah, most of the time, like now you have to go to the documentation. Okay, the models are available. You can choose what model that you want to use. Then API keys, create your API key. As you can see, we are using AI agent Twitter. We have been created a AI agent that's handling the Twitter part of our company, okay, which is in the production currently, and we are using that API. See, created like recently only, and we have been using on the daily basis. Okay, see, so this is like literally we are using in our company. So create API key, testing, okay, and submit. Then this is a key that you can easily use it. That's it. So I will revoke it. Then go to the settings, okay, to explore more about how the things they have been given. Okay, so everything is given. I will show you the billing. Okay, free. Low limit rate is there, but it's totally free, and that will be the, I think, very much okay with you as a learner. Okay, if you are exploring, I think this is good. Okay, we also has been configure this API in a such a manner that it's useful for us as well. So that part also we can talk if you guys are working in that direction. Okay, so this is a one way that you can use. Now if you go with the together.ai, so there's a one more platform is available. So just use this one as well. There's one more model that has been come recently only. I will show you that as well. This is also very fast. Samna Nova Cloud. Again, pricing C free. Rate limit is there. I can understand, but again, it's totally free. So this is how that you can do. Again, API is there. You have to just log in it, and you will able to get the API. If I will show the again, all models are available here. We will go with the write a binary search tree. Let's see. Oh, I have to log in, so I will do it. No issue. Mm, 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 mm. So, okay, bug, email address, country, India, role, startup founder, company, HiDevs, no contact number. Let's go for it. Enter. See how fast. So you have the access of the LLM models. So now you don't have to worry about it key which LLM model that I have to use, which one is the good. No, you can just directly go and explore it and use it, and you don't have to worry. A starter kit already available. You can go on the different like documentation part. They have their own community, so with the help of that you will able to get and explore whatever the things that you are working. Okay, so this is how that the things are working in this direction. Got it? Till now, if anyone have any questions, please go ahead. Happy to answer. Okay, no answers. Okay, so let's move. Okay, so we'll start with the prompt engineering. Okay, we'll see how well that we can do the prompt engineering. So let me start. So as you can see my screen, ChatGPT screen is visible. Okay, so hello, who are you? Will ask. Okay, now if you will ask the questions related to the my own company or someone who is not famous. Okay, take an example of like anyone. Who is Rajesh Kumar? I don't know who is. So let's ask about me itself. Who is Deepak Chawla? Maybe he's known because most they are searching on the web. That's the issue. Okay, see, a lot of the people has been come. Okay, see. So when you are using any LLM model, they have been scrapped on the large amount of data. So they will not able to give you the accurate answer. They will not able to give you the answer that you are looking. Okay, so in that scenario, we have to be give the proper system prompt. Okay, so what the system prompt that we are talking? So we'll talk on that. Okay, so this is a prompt engineering guide is there. Okay, there are a lot of the LLM, sorry, there are a lot of the prompt engineering types are there that you can able to use it, and this website is very good. You can go and explore it. Now we will talk about the few examples and techniques of the prompt engineering. Okay, so prompt engineering have the few examples like zero shot prompting. Zero shot prompting means you are giving the zero example. Okay, nothing. You are just giving the particular prompt, and after that you are asking the questions. Zeros, that's known as the zero shot. If we will replace the zero with the one, then one example. One with the two, two example. Three with the two with the three, then three shot prompting means three examples. Okay, now we have the few shot learning where we are giving few examples with the system prompt. Okay, then we have the chain of thoughts. So what is chain of thought? Before that, I will give you the example of the system prompt. Okay, give me a bit. I will give you a image. Prompt template section. Yeah, so instruction is there. Let me open this in the new tab, so that will give you the good explanation. And I will give you the system prompt example also. So this is a system prompt. So whenever you are building any application, whenever you are learning or whatever that you are, so that will be the very useful in that condition. Okay, that will be the very useful. So any request in technology, there's a few questions that I think there's a lag of this one. So there will be the hands-on on project. Yes, we will do the hands-on on projects. Link of the website, we will share everything there, don't worry about it. Okay, any prerequisite technology for AI, I will say critical thinking and honesty. Okay, towards the technology. That's I think important. Okay, if you are the honest with your technology, with your learning, then you will able to do it. Okay, got it. So okay, and any other question? Can we get the this PPT of presentation from Deepak sir teaching for the further? Yes, we will share the whole resources. Don't worry. Okay, we will share all resources, so don't worry about it. Okay, yeah. So let's proceed. So this is a system prompt. Okay, so once the system prompt, you what is the use of the system prompt? Okay, so whenever you are working with any application, so take example of you are building uh finance chatbot, you are building like kind of the chatbot for the customer support. So every time you have to give a one important and very critical thing that's needed, which is system prompt. As you can see on the screen, you are my professional rewriter. I am looking for assistant in transforming the following message into version that embodies the blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is a system prompt. This is example one. I will show you the one more example. Give me a page. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, here it is. See, so this is a structure. So take on the persona of the particular exit member. All this, take the persona of the life coach. Help me craft over 10 ideas. So this is a goal that we are defining. That's known as the system prompt. Now if we talk about the what are the format of the writing prompt, so instructions means again system prompt that you have been giving. Then context, we will talk about the context as well. Then input means the query the particular user is asking in your application. And output, what kind of the output that you are looking. So that's the structure of the prompt. The whole prompt is structured in that particular manner. Got it? Now if we talk about back to the prompt engineering, okay, and what are the techniques are available. Zero shot prompting, we have been given the system prompt. Now we have to make much more powerful. So in that condition, what will happen? We need a system prompt with the few examples. So that's why few short prompting. We are giving the few examples. So what is a chain of thoughts? So chain of thoughts is much different approach that currently the companies are using. This is a standard prompting. This is a chain of thought prompting. Okay, model input. This is model input. Answer. Now we are asking question. So what is the difference? Why the answer is wrong? So why is the answer is wrong? Here we given the one shot. Okay, we given the only one example, and then we are asking what is the output of this. So they are not able to give the answer of it. Why? Because we don't have been given the proper steps how I have been drive a particular answer. Okay, step by step, no step by step explanation has been given. So in that situation we need a proper explanation that we have been given in our mathematics time. Proof. Key, Roger started with the 5 balls, 2 cans of the 3 tennis balls, each is a 6 tennis balls, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, then answer is 11. So now the model has the proper learning. Key, okay, I got it. So this is the same way that we are explaining and giving the proof. LHS equal to RHS. So we cannot directly write it now. We have to just go through the step by step, then explain it. The same way that we have to explain. So here there's a very tricky thing in the field of the simple search or traditional search that we are using when we have the Google search. Okay, currently also we have the Google search when we don't have the LLM models. Okay, so in the era of the Google search, we are using are limited words. We are giving very limited words. But in the era of the LLM models, we have to explain much more better. The more you explain, the more you will able to get a good answer. Okay. So here this is the known as the chain of thoughts. So we have the chain of thoughts. Okay. So one thought, second thought, and third thought. Okay, so this is the way the chain of thoughts work, and after that you will able to see the answer is there. So this is how the chain of thoughts is different from the standard prompting. Okay, then we have the meta prompting that you can use. Okay, where you have to give the problem statement, then you have to give the solution structure in a proper format. See, and this is very useful in the mathematics. there are a lot of people like of the like 10th class, 11th class, 12th class, 5th class, JEE, UPSC, they are using LLM models, but they are not able to get an answer because the way that they are asking is not a proper. So you have to find out that way, and this is every time will be the difference. Okay, so you cannot say which one is the best. That no one is the best. No one can able to give you the best result for that one. Okay, you have to go and tune it. Okay, you have to tune it more to more way, whatever that your requirement, on the basis of your requirement. Okay, so this is the way that things work here. Now if it see, what are the other self consistency? Okay, one of the prompt that like a lot, which is tree of thoughts. See, this is a tree of thoughts is there. So I will open this. See, input, output, input, then thoughts, output. Then we have the input, then we have the different thoughts, and which have the majority vote, we have the output. We have the input majority, we have the input, then we have the thoughts, and each thought will go via and see which one is the best. Okay, which is known as the tree of thoughts. So there are again lot of the ways are available to see how well the things are working in the direction of prompt engineering. Then we have the project, but that not make 100% sure that that will work for the next particular project. So every project will be different and your use case is different, so your prompt will be the different. Got it? Now there are the few things that we will explore, a few more things, which is evaluation techniques. Okay, so let me open that as well. So there's a leaderboard is available on the internet, where you will able to see which model is best in which particular category. Okay, so why I'm saying this thing to you currently, because whenever you are working with your use case, you cannot go directly to your company's manager, senior, and say I will use chat gpt. Why? What is the answer? Where is the proof of this particular use case? On this particular use case, ChatGPT will work very well. There's no proof. So you need a proper proof and you need a proper evaluation. Then only you will able to do it. Okay, so on that particular thing, what will happen? You have to go to the model comparison. So this is a proper model comparison, like LLMU. Okay, this is proper benchmark is available, human coding. Okay, for coding, mathematics. Okay, so every model is best in the particular benchmarking or particular reasoning. Or again, you have to be see the context window. So context window means, so what will happen in the context window? In that one, you have to only able to send tokens for that particular limit of that window. Tokens mean words. Take for now, tokens means words. Okay, so Gemini has a 1 million. Okay, gpt has a one like GPT-4 has a 128K. Cloud is a cloud is a 200K. So this is a limit. Within that limit only you will able to do it, not more than that. Okay, and each token has a cost. So token input cost is there, output cost is there. So this is one more comparison that you have to do. Then see, coding benchmarking, which one is the best in the coding? As you can see, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the best in the coding. So when you are using that, but costing of this is very high. So you will go with the somewhere like Llama. Llama 3.1 is 89% and Claude is 93%. Only like 4.7% gap is there. But the gap of the pricing is very high. So company will go with the this one. So this is a way that you will able to take the decisions. Got it? The again the fastest model, latency, cheapest, there are a lot of things that you have to be explore, and then you will able to do all these things. Okay, so now I'm sharing all these links, so that will be helpful. So this is for today. If anyone have any questions, please go ahead. I will share everything here and we'll share the. Okay, so that's it from my side, I think. So I don't think there is a need of the math topics for the generative AI, but you should know the basic of it. Abe, as you can say that you didn't able to understand much, so you have to explore our other videos on our channels. So that will help you. Don't worry. Okay. Without theory, you will not able to do the other things. Without concepts, you will not do the things. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. I think that's it from my side. We'll share everything on the group. Don't worry. Okay. I will share you the link of our community as well, so you can join, and we will share everything over there. So everything will be available here. You can directly go there. Okay.
Hey guys, press 1 if I'm audible. Check. Am I audible? Awesome. So guys, thank you so much for joining. This was the day one of the event. This is going to be a 5-day event, and we are so glad that you joined the stream. Since it was the first day, we went through the some of the introductory stuff. From tomorrow, we'll start on working and understanding the deeper levels of the Gen AI material, and Deepak would be helping us in understanding all the concepts. So. Uh, we will meet you guys tomorrow at 8 p.m, the same time as it was for today, and we are sorry for the little bit glitch that happened at the beginning of the stream, and we'll make sure that nothing like that happens tomorrow. And once again, if you have any doubts, uh, yeah, okay, Abhay, the group link will be shared with you in the meeting, in the chat itself in just a minute, so just stay for the time being. The team will share it with you. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, please make sure to send them in the group. And if you want to ask them to Deepak directly, just make sure to ask them tomorrow in the event. All right. That being said, thank you once again for joining. And hopefully, everyone submitted their attendance form, and we'll be sharing the same attendance form, not the same link, but a similar form tomorrow as well, where the people will, you guys will be submitting it. And the reason that we are doing it not at the start or in the beginning is because you guys will concentrate in the event correctly. Having said that, if there are any questions, just let us know. Yeah, we are sharing the community group link with you in just a minute. All right. Thank you so much. I am in the stream for now until I share the link with you. So just stay on the stream. Thank you so much. I think the attendance form link had been sent with you guys already. Uh, it is pinned in the chat as well. If you guys can see it. If you can't see it, I'm gonna share it again with you. Awesome. Uh, yeah. The group link will also be shared with you in just a minute. We have shared the link with you guys. I hope that it is visible for you. Just join on that. That is the WhatsApp link. You can also, and that we will suggest you to join our Discord server. That link is in our bio link. We're gonna share it with you again. To join the channel in that, to join our Discord server and ask the questions in the Gen AI channel in that. So we can go through each question and address it. Okay. The bio link has the bio link which has been shared just now. It has the Discord link. So just join that server as well and ask any questions you have there. So guys, with that, we'll be wrapping up this session. Hope to see every one of you tomorrow. And if one of your friends, the people who were invited, were not able to make it today, that's okay. We understand sometimes life happens. So even if they join from tomorrow, we will consider their attendance as well. So if they have missed today's session, that also works. That is not an issue for tomorrow. But make sure from tomorrow we will count everything. Okay. So with that, thank you so much, guys. We will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.